If you're looking for a knife sharpening system, you will quickly discover two very different worlds. Guided sharpening systems like the TSProf and powered water-cooled grinding systems like the Tormek. Both are capable of producing extremely sharp edges, but they work in completely different ways. Today, we're going to compare the TSProf K4 and the Tormek T8 to see which sharpening system might be the right choice for you. These two machines represent two completely different sharpening philosophies. The TSProf K4 is a guided sharpening system designed for maximum precision and repeatability. The Tormek T8, on the other hand, is a water-cooled grinding system built for efficiency and professional sharpening workflow. Both systems are highly respected in the sharpening community, but they solve the sharpening problem in very different ways. Let's start with the TSProf K4. This system is known for its exceptional precision and mechanical quality. The knife is clamped in a fixed position, and the sharpening stones move along a guided rod at a precisely controlled angle. Because of this design, the sharpening angle can be set very accurately and repeated every time. Another major advantage is versatility. With different clamp configurations, the TSProf can handle many blade shapes and sizes, including blades with strong curvature. The system removes metal in a very controlled way, which is especially important when sharpening expensive or collectible knives. When you're working on high-end blades, removing less metal while maintaining perfect geometry is extremely valuable. Of course, this level of precision comes with a trade-off. Sharpening with the TSProf is a manual process, and that means it takes time. It is not the fastest way to sharpen knives, but it offers an incredible level of control. Now let's look at the Tormek T8. The Tormek is a water-cooled sharpening system built around a rotating grinding wheel. Instead of moving sharpening stones by hand, the blade is guided against the rotating wheel using specialized jigs. The biggest advantage of the Tormek system is speed. Material removal is significantly faster compared to guided sharpening systems. This makes it an excellent tool for professional sharpeners or anyone who needs to sharpen many knives. However, the type of grinding wheel used also plays a big role in the final result. Traditional aluminum oxide or silicon carbide wheels work well, but achieving a very refined edge may require multiple wheels with different grit levels. With modern CBN wheels, the process can become more efficient and consistent. One of the most interesting differences between these systems is the type of edge geometry they produce. The TSProf K4 is primarily designed to create a V-shaped edge. With certain techniques and attachments, it is also possible to produce a convex edge, but the system naturally favors precise V geometry. The Tormek, because it uses a rotating grinding wheel with a fixed radius, naturally produces a slightly concave bevel edge. This hollow geometry can improve cutting performance in some situations, but it is fundamentally different from the flat bevel produced by guided systems. Each system also comes with its own strengths and limitations. The TSProf K4 offers incredible precision, excellent control over metal removal, and outstanding consistency. It is especially well suited for enthusiasts and collectors who want perfect edges on high-end knives. On the downside, the process is slower, and the system itself can be quite expensive. The Tormek T8 shines in situations where speed and productivity are important. It removes metal quickly and works extremely well with kitchen knives and blades that have relatively straight edges. However, blades with strong curvature can sometimes be more challenging to sharpen evenly. And because the wheel removes metal faster, extra care is required when sharpening expensive knives. Before we continue with the comparison, it's time to pick the winner from my previous giveaway. In that video, I gave away a Reiki P856-K folding knife, and a lot of you participated by leaving comments under the video. Thank you to everyone who took part in the giveaway and supported the channel. I really appreciate it. To make the selection completely fair, I will use a tool called the YouTube Random Comment Picker. This tool collects all the comments from the video and randomly selects one winner. So let's paste the link to the giveaway video, load all the comments, and let the random picker choose the winner. And the winner is at JustPave8067. Congratulations! Please contact me using the email address in my channel description so I can arrange shipping for your knife. And once again, thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway. And don't worry if you didn't win this time. There will definitely be more giveaways on this channel. And now let's get back to the comparison between the TSProf K4 and the Tormek T8. So, which sharpening system is better? The answer really depends on what you need. If your priority is ultimate precision and control, the TSProf K4 is an incredible tool. If your priority is speed and efficiency, the Tormek T8 is hard to beat. In the next video, We're going to sharpen the same knife using both systems and see which one produces the better edge. And I'm very curious to hear your opinion. Which system would you choose? TSProf or Tormek?